75 years underwater, the recovery of this P-51 Mustang begins with a meticulous survey of the propeller and engine cowling.
The Mustang's cockpit, remarkably preserved despite the corrosion, offers a window into its final moments. The instruments are frozen in time.
The divers meticulously documented the instrument panel, crucial for the upcoming restoration phase.
Surface, the cables are secure, and we have liftoff from the bottom.
Ascent is stable.
A pivotal moment in the restoration. The salvaged P-51 Mustang emerges.
The corrosion on the cowling is significant, but the structural integrity seems sound based on the scan data.
We're marking this section of the fuselage for detailed structural analysis back at the hangar. The corrosion here is significant.
The legendary P-51 Mustang arrives for the next stage of its meticulous restoration.
crankshaft is the heart of the Merlin engine, and meticulous cleaning is essential before reassembly. Restoring the P-51 is a labor of love. Each component, like this piston, undergoes
Aligning the cylinder head requires absolute precision. We're torquing it down to the exact specifications.
Installing the crankshaft requires absolute precision. We use the torque wrench to ensure the bolts are tightened exactly to the manufacturer's specifications.
With the ring compressor in place, we carefully tap the piston home, then check the torque settings.
The technician must precisely measure the corrosion pitting. This data is vital for maintaining the aircraft.
This is where the Mustang truly comes back to life. Every rivet must be perfectly placed to maintain the structural integrity of the fuselage.
Meticulously, the team attaches the new fuselage patch, ensuring every rivet meets the original specifications.
The meticulous process of riveting is essential to restoring the Mustang's structural integrity, ensuring it can one day take flight again.
Proper lubrication is critical for the P-51's complex systems. The tolerances here are incredibly tight.
This is where the legend is reborn. Every rivet secures not just the wing, but its place in history.
The wiring harness requires painstaking attention. Every connection must be verified against the original schematics.
Restoring the wiring harness of a P-51 requires incredible precision, ensuring every connection meets the original specifications.
Here we are draining the last of the hydraulic fluid from the landing gear assembly. This ensures no contaminants remain before we install the new lines.
We have to ensure every actuator meets the original specifications. This one looks good. Moving on to the hose assembly.
These tiny brass gears are the heart of the altimeter. We use fine tweezers and a magnifying glass to ensure.
The control stick mechanism requires precise calibration. We use a torque wrench to ensure every bolt meets the original specifications.
The original control stick mechanism requires painstaking attention. Here, we see the bushings and springs being...
The control stick mechanism requires absolute precision. Even the slightest misalignment could compromise the entire flight control system.
Restoring the seat harness is a delicate process, blending period-correct materials with hours of careful work. Here we see the team meticulously checking the tension on the Mustang's tail controls. The fuel lines must be secured with a precise amount of torque to ensure the Merlin engine runs flawlessly.
Every component of the P-51 Mustang is meticulously restored to its original specifications.
The meticulous process continues as the carburetor is fitting. Technicians use a precise torque wrench to ensure it.
Restoring a Mustang engine demands absolute precision. Here, the braided steel lines are carefully installed.
The fuel system leak test is holding steady, confirming the integrity of the lines before we proceed with engine installation.
Balancing the propeller is a critical step to ensure smooth operation of the P-51 Mustang engine.
We use the atomizer first to get an even coat, then work it into the deeper pitting with the brush to ensure full coverage.
This phosphoric acid treatment is crucial. As it reacts, the iron oxide is converted into
The aluminum skin of a P-51 Mustang requires painstaking preparation before it can receive its historically accurate coat of paint.
The restoration process demands absolute precision, especially when applying the historically accurate camouflage patterns.
Restoring a Mustang is painstaking work. Every detail, down to the iconic national insignia, must be perfect. Meticulously applied, these markings signify the aircraft's heritage and its readiness for the skies once more. With the olive drab paint freshly applied, the team meticulously positioned the iconic 8, bringing her one step closer to completion.
After countless hours, the iconic tail markings are finally applied, bringing this magnificent P-51 one step closer to flying again.
The cockpit details are meticulously restored before the final coat of interior green paint is applied.
Securing the landing gear is a critical step, requiring precision torque to ensure the Mustang's structural integrity.
The team meticulously installs the tail wheel assembly. Using a calibrated torque wrench ensures that the bolts are secure.
Landing gear indicators showing green.
Confirmed on the checklist. All systems nominal for takeoff.
The Mustang's propeller required meticulous care, a testament to the dedication of the restoration team.
The culmination of thousands of hours. The P-51 is ready to fly again. After thousands of hours, the restoration is complete. The Mustang takes to the sky once more, a gleaming testament to history.